Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Harvey AI. In order to do so, here we are at harvey.ai. And what is Harvey all about? Well, it's professional class AI, domain specific AI for law firms, professional service providers, and the Fortune 500. And if you are interested in using it, you can come here to request a demo. So video here, we'll just keep scrolling down, augment all of your work on one integrated, secure platform, tailored to your expertise, delegate complex tasks in natural language to your domain-specific personal assistant. You can click there to explore the assistant, but I'm assuming it's going to bring us back to the demo page. That is correct. Let's just scroll down here. Agentic workflows leverage domain-specific agents for complex work, work seamlessly with the versatile general-purpose legal assistant using plain language. So this is really if legal considerations are something that is important to the kind of work that you're doing, this is an AI that is tailored to that need. Proceed confidently knowing every answer is rooted in reliable, cited source material. Ask complex questions across up to 50 documents, unlocking insights in your organization's data. Universally fluent. Supercharge Word with our add-in. We want to free the lawyer from mundane routine tasks so that they can focus on what matters. Strategy, advice, and judgment. That's become the mantra for the team. So if you are interested in Harvey, then head over to harvey.ai. If legal considerations, legal-based AI is something that you believe you can take advantage of, then Harvey might be the right platform for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.